You ever feel like no matter what you say or do, life keeps mirroring back the same energy? Like the world isn't listening to your words only to the signal underneath them? That's because it is. This reality doesn't respond to what you say. It responds to what you are. Everything in this matrix, every interaction, every twist of fate is governed by one law that sits quietly underneath all the chaos, the law of vibration. Every thought, emotion, and belief is a frequency. You're not just walking through reality, you're broadcasting to it. And the universe, like a giant algorithm, matches you to timelines that resonate with that signal. When you live in fear, you tune to fear. When you live in gratitude, you tune to expansion. When you stay angry, the system gives you more to fight. So what's the hack? It's not about controlling the outside. It's about recalibrating the inside. Think of your mind as a soundboard. Every emotion is a slider. And when you start the day tuning those frequencies through breath, through gratitude, through silence, you shift your reality's music. That's why the ancients meditated. That's why Hermetic teachings, Stoicism, Buddhism, all said the same thing in different languages. Control your inner world and the outer bends around it. It's not magic. It's mechanics. Most people try to rewrite their code from the outside. They hustle, they stress, they force outcomes. But the system doesn't read actions, it reads energy. When you start feeling peace before the thing arrives, you create a vibrational signature that attracts it. When you imagine and feel a better reality, as if it's already yours, you collapse that timeline into existence. And that's not New Age fluff, it's quantum alignment, wrapped in ancient wisdom. Here's something practical. Before you grab your phone tomorrow morning, just breathe. 3 deep breaths. Think about one thing you want to feel that day, not achieve. Feel. Peace, confidence, love, whatever it is. Then carry that feeling into the first hour of your day like it's your new frequency. Watch how the simulation starts to rearrange itself to match, because this place is responsive. It's alive. And when you raise your vibration, you literally begin to reprogram the matrix. The trick isn't escaping the system. It's learning to play it like an instrument. The more conscious you are of your tune, the more this world dances to it. So next time you're caught in a storm, remember, the chaos isn't punishing you. It's echoing you. Shift your frequency, and you shift your fate. And if this hits you somewhere deep, that's no coincidence. You're waking up to the code. You're remembering that you are both player and programmer. If you like this kind of message, subscribe, follow, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because the more of us who raise the vibration, the faster the old system collapses.